Well, I was challenged to create a Tetris game in under 40 minutes because it seems that's the best way to recruit. So here it says I have to show myself doing it, and here in another tweet, he says that it's easier to do it by hand than with AI. So let's see, let's try it. We have 40 minutes. I hope that's not gonna take that long. So I'm gonna do this. Okay, and then I'm gonna do Claude. Let's see, I can use this, it seems. So create a Tetris game in React, create a new React project, run npm and install, code it, and run it. This is not needed, by the way. I could have just said create a Tetris game in React and that was it. But I'm gonna be specific because I don't want to be making other changes without errors. Anyway, follow best practices, clean code, and separate components. Sometimes AIs tend to put everything in the same page. I don't want that, so let's be specific. Keep it simple. It's always good to say to keep it simple. I don't want a full-fledged Tetris game with anything weird. So allow playing with the arrows, just in case there's another way. Also measure the time from beginning to end that it takes you to create it. I'm saying that because I'm going to speed up the video maybe, and I want to have the record of how long it took. Okay, let's go. And in the meantime, while we wait, is this the best way to measure whether a senior developer is a senior developer? Tetris is a game that has been around since forever. There's a million examples. So AIs are very well trained on how to code that. You could also say, okay, but I don't want people to use AI to do these challenges. But do you really want to hire someone who doesn't know how to use AI? I think engineers, yes, go ahead, should leverage AI tools, and not doing so is not a good. It's not good to encourage engineers and software developers to not to use them. So here I'm using it. It's gonna take about 5 minutes. Just stop asking me about these things, please. And yeah, let's see how it goes. I could go make myself a coffee, and but I want to know what you guys think about this way of interviewing people, engineers. I don't think it's right. Maybe for junior developers and things like that, when you want to know whether to understand the code, how to organize it, and things like that, maybe that could make sense. But for a senior developer, really, I don't think plus there was no requirements on how the code need to look like or anything. If this was real production code, I would definitely spend 5 minutes. Claude would spend 5 minutes coding the project, and then I would spend another few hours probably reviewing it and making sure it aligns with the vision of the like department, engineering department, and which way we want to go, if we want to make it scalable or something like that. But definitely, this is definitely not what we're trying to achieve here. So really, I don't know what we're trying to achieve here, other than making a Tetris game. So if this was a game for one of my kids, it would work perfectly. So I'm gonna pause the microphone and speed up the video. Yes, let's run the project. Okay, it's already running. Let's see. It's starting in this port. Let's wait until this finishes. Thinking. Okay, it was fully implemented. It took approximately 2-3 minutes. I think it didn't calculate that right. But anyway, who cares? It wasn't part of the assignment. So let's open the Tetris game. There you go. Let's see if the finishing the line works. I'm not a good Tetris player, but let's see. This should erase the line on the bottom. Yeah, it works. That was very hard, huh? You're hiring for this? Okay, maybe this helps me convince you that this is not a really good assessment for hiring a senior developer. See ya.